Welcome to QuickBooks Online. You're in the right place to learn how QuickBooks helps you run your business efficiently by tracking your money coming in and money going out, showing you profit and loss, and categorizing your expenses. Here's a quick tour and how to get started. The dashboard displays an overview of your company, giving you a quick business update. The dashboard is categorized into 2 different tabs to help speed up your work and make setup a breeze. The Get Things Done tab allows you to quickly set up customers, create invoices, estimates, receive payments, record bills, or review your banking transactions on the fly. The Business Overview tab is where you'll see an overview of your income, expenses, profit and loss, and sales. You can also see info about your bank accounts once you link them to QuickBooks. Over here, you'll find detailed info on what's going on in your business day to day. Here is where you'll categorize all your money in and money out transactions in QuickBooks. This is also where you link your bank and credit cards to QuickBooks. Linking these is a great first step for using QuickBooks. When you do, all your transactions automatically and securely come into QuickBooks so you can see everything that's going on. The Sales tab is all about getting paid. Once you've added some, you'll see invoices you've sent, customers, what you sell, and more. You can track the money flowing in and out of your business through the Cash Flow menu. Under Expenses, you'll see info on just your money out and whom you have to pay. Employees is where you can manage payroll for your employees. In Reports, you can run many powerful reports that give you insights into your business. You can also set up your sales tax, invite your accountant to view your books, and connect apps like Squarespace or QuickBooks Time to QuickBooks. When you need to create a new transaction, like an invoice or an expense, select New, and you'll see everything you can create for your customers, suppliers, and employees. Plus, you'll see a few other things you can create. The Settings menu is where you do important things like set up your business profile, set your preferences, and then start to customize QuickBooks for your business. It's good to spend some time looking at these settings to make sure you turn on the right ones for your business. Now that you know your way around a bit, what's next is up to you. You can learn how to manage your sales, keep track of expenses, and more. We've put links to help you get started with these topics at the end of this video. And when you find something you have questions about, help is just a click away. Select the Help icon to see topics related to the page you're on. Search for more info or contact support. Welcome to QuickBooks.